Hi chillins, how you doing? Bam is just getting ready to go shopping. My most favorite thing to do, shopping. I had a new outfit yesterday. I wanted to know what you thought about it. Let's see. Okay. I got some little white capris. Like right here. Right here. White capris with the kind of lots of different colored top. And I really like it. I really, really like it. And I miss you guys. I think about you all the time. All the time, all the time. And I hope to see you soon. There's a package coming for you with not Dora, but with Hello Kitty. And some other stuff I put in there for you. So you'll probably get it next week. Alright, kiddos? I love you so much. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.